Do you have a lot of product and oil buildup on your hair and scalp? Apple cider vinegar is the solution. ACV uses include being an amazing household all-purpose cleaner, deodorant, sore throat remedy, skincare product, energy booster, and a detox solution. Apple cider vinegar is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and minerals. That makes it great for detoxing. ACV works to restore pH levels and remove toxic waste. That's another reason why it's one of our favorite clarifiers for hair. You can use apple cider vinegar to help detox your body by ingesting it, but make sure to dilute it first. Remember to always use an organic, unfiltered, and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Try making a detox drink by mixing it with hot lemon water or green tea. As well as being a great clarifier, apple cider vinegar is anti-inflammatory, so it works wonders for dry, itchy scalps. Although ACV isn't a cure-all for treating hair loss, its acidity can work as a potential solution for hair thinning by keeping a balanced pH level, which many other shampoo products will disrupt. When switching to Morrocco method shampoos, using a 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water as a rinse will help nourish your scalp and speed up hair detox.